Hey CrocFIX lovers, this is a new video about replacing LCD screen on the Huawei P10 LITE. If you need any parts or tools, you can buy them directly from my video description links. Thank you for supporting my channel. First remove the SIM card tray and then take the heat gun and heat at around 200 degrees for around maybe 3 or 4 minutes. Just touch always and see if it's really hot, then you have to stop. Then you will need a suction cup. Use a strong one. I have this one from my previous GPS system. It was a Garmin device, so it's pretty strong. I mostly use it. And then you have to take one plastic card. It's the best tool you can have for repairing phones. You see, like I'm gently lifting the back cover. Just be careful because there is the flex cable from the fingerprint sensor attached, so don't break it. So remove the first screw and then remove the small metal piece, and then you will have to disconnect the battery first. This is just for the safety. So what I'm doing now is I remove the small sticky tape, and then I will disconnect this fingerprint sensor. I will disconnect this flex cable so we can remove the back plate, the back cover. You see? Easy. I'm removing the second screw now, and then also the second small metal piece, and then I will disconnect the LCD screen. This is the flex cable of the screen. So I'm using a little bit of the sticky tape here just to fix the flex cable from the fingerprint sensor. When I will replace the screen, I don't want to break this cable, so it's just for safety. So now we are going to remove the battery. We have to heat a little bit. We need heat. After we heat it maybe for, I don't know, maybe 1 to 2 minutes. Don't heat too long because the battery is sensitive. Always try with your fingers. Don't heat it more than like 50 degrees or something. I'm heating here now for maybe 1.5 minutes with 200 degrees. This is not long, so just be careful. So once the frame and the battery is warm, I use this small, how do you call it, like this, yeah, whatever tool, and try to lift the battery up. So once I made the small gap, I use the plastic card and put it inside. Just be sure don't bend the battery too much because this is not the battery is fragile and possibly you could damage it or the battery will stop to work or something. So just carefully go with this plastic card under it and try to remove it as carefully as possible. Now you insert the new battery, push it to the frame. The old adhesive double-sided tape will be still strong enough to hold the battery inside. And now we are going to connect back the fingerprint sensor Also connect the battery, and don't forget the small metal plates and the screws, of course. There is still a double-sided adhesive on the back frame, on the back plate, so I didn't put a new one on it. It's still strong enough. Just push it to the frame, and it should be sticked inside. Should be good to go. Okay, that's it guys, the phone is working. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, you can comment below. I will try to answer your questions as soon as possible. And if you want to donate, there's also a link in my video description. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe.